Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today is break number 745. We're opening two boxes of 13-14 Artifact Hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended June 10th at 8:29 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is currently 12:43 p.m. Thursday, June 11th. That's Eastern Time, local time in Toronto, Ontario. Our first box number is 200 039 064. Second box number is 200 039 067. We've got 4 cards per pack, 10 pack per box, total of two boxes to open. First box, Artifact 13-14. Break 745. Oops. Oh, missed that one. There we go. We've got an empty box. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 packs. First pack. There we go. Ty McGuinn rookie, short print out of 99 for Flyers. Next pack. Frozen Artifact for Oilers, Sam Gagner. Game used jersey card. Oh wow, this is nice. Let me get a sleeve for this. We've got Robin Lehter for Ottawa. It's a jersey and patch auto 5 of 8. Short print, nice. Nice hit for Senators. Okay, on with the break. Let's find more of these. Okay, a small cleanup here. Keep it clean and on screen. Next pack. Okay, we've got a dual jersey card for Flyers, Scott Hartnell and Dan Briere. Tundra Tandem. Patrice Bergeron for Boston, jersey card out of 125. Max Reinhart, rookie for Calgary, out of 999. Gary Lettinen, out of 999 for Stars. Jordan Schroeder, rookie for Vancouver, out of 299. Jaden Schwartz. Jaden is with the Blues. Parallel card out of 999 for St. Louis. And last pack of the first box. Got a rookie redemption for Calgary. Number 204. According to Upper Deck, 204 is Sean Monahan. Nice hit for Calgary. And we're at our second box. Just like to mention that we've got 6 box breaks ending tonight between 8 and 10:30 p.m. We've got some Crown Royale, some SP Game Use 13-14. We've got some 14-15, some Ultimate Vault. More than 12 box breaks tonight. More appeal all the time. Empty box. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 back. First back, second box. Oh, I see gold. I was right. Look at that. Victor Fast rookie out of 25. Gold version for Ducks. And I see a thick card. I am so gifted. Oh wow, this is wow. Tape and stick Ray Bourque out of 12 of 12. That's neat. Let me get a sleeve for this. Never seen one before. I like the used piece of it. Get it cleaner for everybody. Go. So Ray Bourque treasured a swatch. 12 of 12. You can see right here. It's a nice piece of stick and tape for Boston. It's neat. Knew I had a thicker card in the pack. Okay, let's find more. Brian Lee for Tampa Bay. Signature card, Autofax. Dual jersey card for Boston, Patrice Bergeron and Milan Lucic. Tundra Tandems. Frozen Artifact, Columbus, Marian Gaborik. It's jersey card. Corey Conacher, rookie. Senators out of 999. Joe Thornton for Sharks. Parallel card out of 999. Team Canada uniform. Oh, this is nice. Alex Galchenyuk, rookie, but out of 299 for Montreal. Look at the bases. Carrasco parallel card for Boston out of 999, and we're down to our last pack of our 2-box break. We got a rookie redemption for Devils. 217. 217 is Reed Boucher for New Jersey. And that's our 2-box. We'll do a little cleanup here, keep it clean and on screen. And we can do a quick recap of our hits. So here we go. Rookie redemption, the Devils. Alex Galchenyuk rookie out of 299. We've got one for Corey Connor for Senators. Jersey card Columbus. Jersey card dual for Boston. Auto for Tampa Bay. This cool Ray Bourque out of 12 stick and tape card. Gold Victor Fast rookie out of 25. Redemption for Calgary. We've got a Jordan Schroeder rookie out of 299 for Vancouver. Max Reinhardt rookie for Calgary. Jersey card Patrice Bergeron out of 125 for Boston. Dual jersey card for Flyers. Oh yeah, we've got this Robin Lehner jersey, patch, and auto out of 8 for Senators. Got a jersey card, Oilers, and a rookie Ty McGuinn out of 99 for Flyers. So that concludes our break number 745 of 2-box of Artifact 1314. We should check out our box breaks tonight between 8 and 10:30. Our next Artifact box break 1314 ends. I have one that ends tomorrow night at 8 p.m. Friday night. My name is Gilles. Thank you from Box Breakers. One-stop shop for box breaks.